TEGO Therm HPG 4000 granules have a broad particle size distribution and segregate within a few minutes after homogenization. This video shows a suitable way for representative sampling from the 1 kg sample drums and explains how to take samples from the 30 kg product packaging in 200-liter metal drums. Samples are usually sent in 10-liter plastic containers or 10-liter metal drums containing 1 kg of material. In the following, sampling from the metal drum is explained. Please rotate the drum approximately 6 times in a 3-dimensional way like shown in the video. This movement is analogous to a turbulent mixer, but softer and not limited to the container size of this device. Don't use paint shakers for homogenization. Such devices use a 2-dimensional strong movement which is not beneficial for homogenization. Open the drum immediately after homogenization and take 1 to 5 samples quickly with a dipper or similar tools like a beaker glass. Take care that the dipper is being inserted under a 45-degree angle in the middle of the drum and pull it softly deep into the granules. Then take the dipper out by rotating it into the vertical. For larger sample amounts, please homogenize in between. The complete procedure after stopping the homogenization movement shouldn't take longer than 2.5 minutes. Use the sample amount completely and don't repurpose any partial amount back to the sample container or drum. Return of any partial amount of granules back to the sample container can contaminate the original particle size distribution, and any further samples taken from the container can't be considered as representative. Sampling from our standard product packaging, a 200-liter metal drum containing 30 kilograms of granules, has to be made by homogenization for 5 minutes on a 3-axis drum hoop mixer. After mixing, immediately take the drum out of the device and open it quickly. Use a sample lance with, for example, 3 openings or chambers on bottom, in the middle, and on top. Take 1 to 5 samples within 1 to 2 minutes. The whole procedure after homogenization in the mixer should not take longer than 2.5 minutes.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.